It's another gorgeous day, and I just walked into the backyard and noticed my trellis fell over. We've had some really strong winds, so I will have to reattach this. Look how empty this wall looks now. It was so pretty. Still a gorgeous plant, but it needs some work. We get some strong winds here. We should be nicknamed the Windy City, not Chicago. I put the trellis back up. Hopefully it will stay put and not go anywhere, but I highly doubt it. I've got to get a shovel and dig a hole and sink the trellis in more, but I will do that next time. Just wanted to get back up and running.